pudding. Here are the ingredients. 1.5 cups of milk, 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, half a cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, which is optional, it's just for flavoring. 10 slices of bread, which it's okay if you have stale bread, that's what you can make bread pudding out of. And we also had some breadcrumbs. And those are all the ingredients. Let's get started. If I don't have enough breadcrumbs, I'm actually just using normal bread. So first thing that we want to do is set our oven to 250 degrees and place our bread on a greased baking pan. The second thing we will do is put these in the oven for 10 minutes or until light golden brown. Alright, so next we will put our toasted bread. As you can see, it has that nice crisp to it. We will put these in the blender and blend them up when they're like breadcrumbs. So guys, I don't know if you caught up on this, but you're supposed to blend the bread after you're done until you get like a breadcrumb texture. So next up, we will put the eggs in our bowl and beat them up. Next up, we will put in our 2 tablespoons of butter melted. After that, we will put in our 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Then you'll put in your half a cup of sugar. It doesn't matter if it's granulated or if it's powdered. Okay, after that is done, we put in our 1.5 cups of milk. So the next step is to put in your breadcrumbs into this mixture. And after we whisk this all up, this is going to be our batter for the bread pudding. This is what our batter looks like. If you don't have cardamom powder, that's okay. But if you do, put in all of your cardamom powder into the mixture and mix it up. So next up, what we will be doing is putting this sugar into a pot over here. And we are going to actually, this is 4 tablespoons of sugar. And we are going to put 2 tablespoons of water into this mixture and then dissolve the sugar until it's a brownish color. This is the mixture right now. It's still working. As you can see, there's a lot of bubbles and the sugar is starting to caramelize. After this is done, we are actually going to put the sugar in this plate right here. Like, pour it as fast as you can from the pan. We won't be able to record this part because we will be trying to transfer the sugar. So after you put the sugar in the pan, then you put the mixture on top. Hot sugar mixture in the pan, and now we will pour this on top of it. Our breadcrumb. So guys, then what we will do is flatten. Remember to make it even on all sides, like so. So now we will put this on, it's kind of hard to explain, so we'll put boiling water first, and then if you have one, a metal stand. Okay, so we have put some boiling water in a pot, and the pot has to be able to fit the pan inside. So then what we will do is cover the pan with aluminum foil that we have our bread pudding in. Okay, so now what we have done is poked holes in the aluminum foil on top with a fork, and then we put it over the boiling water, and now we're going to cover the pot like so. And remember to always have caution with knives and flaming heat. So we have our final product here, so make sure it's firm all the way through. I'm just going to take it out of the aluminum foil. It's very hot, be careful. So as you can see, it is actually firm. I know I can't touch it because I think you guys can see there's steam coming out of it. So it is firm on all sides, so I can actually put this in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. I'm just going to leave it in there overnight. And we'll update you on how the bread pudding is in the morning. Okay, so guys, here is our bread pudding. And as you can see, it is very firm to the touch, as you guys can see. And yeah, this is our bread pudding recipe. So, hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Bye!